but I think it's fantastic. I think, first of all, the subject matter, the idea of mental wealth is really great. I think the calibre and the variety of speakers that are here is terrific, but the focus on this as an issue and all of the different parts of our community that it touches is just critical.
An amazing few days. My colleagues who put the festival together have done an unbelievable job, and it's actually the eclectic nature of the programme. It's not like a conference where you start and you finish with speakers. It's multiple fireworks.
You know, a festival about mental health, like how brilliant. We live in an enlightened enough time and city that we have one of these, so yeah, I'm all for it. It was really just starting to write about my own mental health that opened the kind of floodgates. So it's all been kind of really accidental, but the time it feels like now, this is what we're talking about, and it's really great to to have a tiny part in it.
It's wonderful to see how much it's grown, and how people seem to just get what it's about.
But we've just decided to really make this as core part of who we are, and the festival is the celebration that we have once a year, but at the same time we're trying to change the dialogue throughout the year and be a better organisation. But I think it's also a lot of the smaller individual sessions that people get to have a go of things, whether it be a mindfulness session with art, whether it be a Tai Chi session. Those are the ones that might make a difference to somebody finding and go, ooh, that's something I really want to do.
The idea was to get people to come together to just think about the different ways in which they could look after their mental wealth and share their ideas and experiences.
So often we talk about mental illness and problems and very sort of kind of problem focused. This is much more about solutions and wellness and how to keep yourself well. So that's great. People feel more able to talk about mental health now than before, and that needs to continue. So the more people who become aware of it as an issue and a concept, the more people will want to learn about their own mental health and mental wealth, but also other people, because it affects all of us, our families, our children, the people we work with, everything.